In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a report in Gohighlevel. If you no longer need a saved report and want to keep your reporting area clean and organized, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can remove the report safely and confidently. First, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform, and it's where you'll access the reporting section. From that menu, click on Reporting. This will take you to the area where your available reports are listed. Depending on your account setup, you may see multiple reports here, so take a moment to scan the list carefully. Next, look for the name of the report you want to delete. It's a good idea to double check that you've selected the correct report before removing it, especially if you have reports with similar names. Since deleting a report is meant to remove it from your reporting list, you'll want to be certain you're choosing the right one. Once you've found the report, click on the three dots next to it. This usually opens a small action menu with options related to that specific report. From the menu that appears, click Delete. As soon as you do that, Gohighlevel will show a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete the report. This confirmation step is helpful because it gives you one last chance to review your action before the report is removed. If the prompt appears and you're sure this is the report you want to delete, go ahead and click Delete Report to confirm. After that, the report will be deleted. That's all it takes. Open Gohighlevel, go to the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu, click Reporting, find the report you want to remove, click the three dots, choose Delete, and then confirm by clicking Delete Report. A quick tip before you finish. If you think you might need the report later, take a moment to review it before deleting it. That way you can avoid removing something important by mistake. And that's how to delete a report in Gohighlevel.